Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best mozzarella is probably one of the most versatile and beloved cheeses in the culinary world, offering a delightful creamy texture and a mild, milky flavor that makes it a star in countless dishes, from classic pizzas and caprese salads to baked pasta dishes and even decadent desserts. Its ability to melt beautifully and its fresh, clean taste make it an indispensable ingredient for home cooks and professional chefs alike, promising a delightful experience with every bite. Number 5. SMIRLY Large Bamboo Cheese Board Set. Impress your guests with this beautifully designed cheese and charcuterie board. It's designed for easy entertaining, perfectly displaying a variety of delicious treats for any occasion. This versatile board features convenient accessories and grooves, making it simple to create a colorful and appetizing spread. Dazzle your guests at any gathering with your culinary creations. Looking for the perfect gift? This unique cheese board set is ideal for couples, new homeowners, or anyone celebrating a special occasion. It comes in a decorative box with useful accessories, making it a thoughtful present. Expand your serving options with the included matching bamboo fruit tray. Use our guide to design stunning platters that will impress everyone. It's an ideal gift for any occasion, beautifully packaged. Crafted from eco-friendly and durable bamboo, this board resists liquids and odors, ensuring it stays beautiful and functional. Easy to clean, it's a reliable choice for years of memorable entertaining. What we like? This board is perfect for those who love to entertain and want to impress. If you are looking for a stylish and functional centerpiece for your next party, this is the one. Its generous size and included fruit tray make it ideal for showcasing a variety of appetizers. What people say? This mozzarella cheese has a creamy texture that melts beautifully, making it perfect for pizzas and pasta dishes. The cheese is fresh and has a mild, milky flavor that complements a variety of recipes without overpowering other ingredients. It comes in a convenient block form, which is easy to slice or shred for different culinary applications. Number 4. SMIRLY Large Bamboo Charcuterie Board Set. Impress your guests with this large, versatile cheese board set. It simplifies entertaining and enhances any gathering with a stylish, appetizing display. Ideal for both intimate evenings and large parties, this set includes bowls and cheese knives. It ensures memorable and enjoyable events with friends and family. This makes a perfect gift for couples, new homeowners, or apartment dwellers. It's a thoughtful, timeless present for any occasion, especially housewarming and Christmas. Design a beautiful cheese platter with this 3-sided large board. Complete with all necessary accessories, it allows you to create stunning and delectable displays for any event. Made from premium bamboo, this set is exceptionally durable and easy to maintain. It boasts natural water resistance and resists scratches, ensuring long-lasting beauty and functionality. What we like? Consider this if you need a comprehensive solution for hosting. It's perfect for anyone who wants all the essentials in one package for a seamless entertaining experience. The inclusion of bowls and knives means you're ready for any gathering, big or small. What people say? This is a great mozzarella cheese, perfect for pizzas and lasagna. The cheese melts beautifully and has a mild, creamy flavor that complements many dishes. It's a versatile cheese that can be used in salads, sandwiches, and baked goods. Number 3. Wisconsin Whole Milk Mozzarella Cheese Loaf. Experience the creamy, stretchy, and melty goodness of our authentic Wisconsin mozzarella. Made with whole milk for a rich and satisfying flavor. This low-moisture mozzarella is expertly crafted for the perfect melt every time. Its consistent texture makes it ideal for all your culinary creations. Our convenient 3-pound loaf provides plenty of cheese for all your needs. It's the perfect size for families and frequent entertainers. Elevate your pizzas with this exceptional cheese. It browns beautifully and provides that classic, satisfying cheese pull. Beyond pizza, this versatile cheese is perfect for pasta dishes, baked goods, and so much more. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Savor the delicious taste that comes from high-quality whole milk. It's a difference you can truly taste in every bite. What we like? This is the cheese for pizza lovers and pasta enthusiasts. If you crave that perfect melt and stretch, this low-moisture mozzarella is your go-to. It's ideal for anyone who enjoys making homemade pizzas or creamy pasta dishes. What people say? This mozzarella cheese melts beautifully and has a creamy texture, perfect for pizzas and lasagna. The fresh mozzarella balls are individually wrapped, ensuring maximum freshness and convenience. Its mild, milky flavor complements a variety of dishes without overpowering other ingredients. Number 2. Kraft Easy Mac and Cheese Original Flavor. Looking for a fast and simple meal solution? Our original flavor mac and cheese is perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the classic taste you love, made with no artificial flavors, preservatives, or dyes. It's pure, simple goodness. Whether it's a main course or a delicious side dish, this creamy mac and cheese is always a crowd pleaser. With 18 individual packets, you'll have plenty on hand for quick lunches or family dinners. It's convenience at its finest. Bring smiles to the table with this beloved classic. It's a wholesome choice that everyone in the family will enjoy. This generous 38.7-ounce package ensures you have enough of this comforting favorite to go around. Simply delicious and satisfying. What we like? This is for those who need a quick and easy meal solution. If you're looking for a convenient and familiar comfort food, this is it. It's perfect for busy weeknights or as a simple side dish that everyone will enjoy. What people say. This mozzarella cheese has a creamy texture that melts beautifully, making it perfect for pizzas and pasta dishes. The cheese is fresh and has a mild, milky flavor that complements a variety of recipes without overpowering other ingredients. Number 1. Big Cheese Ultimate Cheese Making Kit. Ever dreamed of making your own delicious cheese at home? Now you can with this incredible kit. It's designed for ease and enjoyment, bringing the art of cheese making right to your kitchen. Imagine crafting everything from creamy mozzarella and mascarpone to tangy feta and fresh ricotta. This kit empowers you to create 10 distinct varieties, opening up a world of culinary creativity. Don't worry if you're new to cheese making. Our comprehensive recipe book guides you through every step. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to achieve professional quality results. This isn't just a one-time project, it's an experience that keeps on giving. With enough ingredients for up to 40 batches, you can share your homemade delights with friends and family again and again. We've included all the essential high-quality ingredients, including rennet, to get you started right away. All you need to add is your passion and a desire for delicious, homemade cheese. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This kit is perfect for anyone who loves food, enjoys DIY projects, or simply appreciates the taste of authentic, homemade cheese. Give the gift of delicious discovery. What we like? This kit is for the adventurous home cook and cheese aficionado. If you've ever wanted to try your hand at making various cheeses, this is the ultimate starting point. It's perfect for those who enjoy DIY projects and want to explore the art of cheese making. What people say. This mozzarella cheese has a creamy texture that melts beautifully, making it perfect for pizzas and lasagnas. The fresh mozzarella balls are individually wrapped, ensuring optimal freshness and convenience for salads and appetizers. Its mild, milky flavor complements a wide range of dishes without overpowering other ingredients. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.